Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup tutorial look for you guys, so keep watching. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm going to go ahead and add some Tarte concealer onto my eyelids. I do have a video of my eyebrow tutorial just in case you guys are interested. I'll link it in the description box below. So I'm using my brush to spread the concealer out all over my eyelid and blend it out. Now I'm using the Sashka setting powder to set the concealer before I start applying my eyeshadows. For this look, I'll be using my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette and it's called the Nubian Royal. So I'm just going to point to the colors that I'm using as I use them and you guys could just follow along. So this dark shadow I'm using is not in this palette. I grabbed it from another palette because I decided I wanted some more darker color. For my lids, I'm going to be using my Morphe gel liner and I'm going to be using this brush to apply it. It's kind of hard applying my liner, holding the mirror and all of that, and be in the camera. I guess that's something I'm definitely gonna have to work on because I feel like I'm not doing it right. To prime my face, I'm going to be using this NYX Pore Filler, and this is my first time using this, I believe, but I thought I'll try it out, so I ordered this from Amazon. It came really quick and I absolutely love the way it feels on my face, so I have a feeling I'm gonna like it, even though I have other primers that I really love, but I definitely do like trying new things, so hey. This foundation is also new to me. This is my first time trying it, but I've heard a lot of good stuff about it, so we'll see how it turned out today. And as usual, I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend it out. Next, I applied my Tarte concealer and I also applied my Fenty contour, and now I'm just blending them out using the back of my beauty blender. The same side I use for my foundation is what I'm using to blend out the contour, and then I'll use a different side for the concealer. Now I'm just using this triangular shaped sponge to set my concealer. Then I'm going in with more setting powder on a face brush to set the rest of my face. Now I went in with more setting powder just to bake my nose and my cheek. Now I'm adding bronzer onto my face, just to bring some color back into my skin. Now I'm gonna add my MAC Skin Finish on top of everything. Next, I'm using this blush from Il Makiage on my cheek. Now I'm adding some lip liner onto my lip. I just realized that I added my highlighter somewhere between lip and blush, but I'm not sure where that clip is, but we're just gonna pretend we saw it. Now I'm using this brush to smudge the lip liner out before I add my lipstick. The lipstick I'm wearing today is from NYX. I got this on Amazon along with some other one just in case you guys are interested. And this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it. I am super duper in love with this look and I don't know why. It may be the wig, it may be the color eyeshadow, I don't know, but I'm so in love with it. The wig I'm wearing is from Luvme here, so you guys could definitely go check out their website. You never know, you just might find something you like. If you have any questions, please leave them down below as usual. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!